name is Natasha and welcome to my channel, Only in Your Mind. This week I am doing another awesome Lion King makeup, and I've done so many Lion King makeups, but it is so much fun and I think you guys really enjoy them too. I'll put all those makeups in my description box below if you guys want to check those makeups out. So I decided to do Ed. If you guys want to see how I did this makeup, just keep on watching.
Hey guys, I'm back with the strapless dress, and I'm using white face paint and a thin brush to draw an outline on my face of Ed, and I'm also using a photo that I found online as well as a reference photo. And of course my rough draft looks really messy, but I'll paint over that and you won't be able to tell that, but it's just a guideline. Now I started off with kind of like a greenish color because the photo I was using, he was kind of green, but I think he's pretty much gray, so I switched to a gray from Paradise, and what I actually did was I mixed those two colors to kind of get a mixture between both colors. Actually, two images I was using, so one was gray and one was kind of green. And for his snout I used two grays. I used a dark gray from Fab and then that same Paradise gray, and I mixed those two. And now it's time for his nose. I used Cameleon black for that, and then you'll see later on that I kind of like take out the middle because I needed to put some white in there because he has a nice little highlight in kind of like the top of his nose area. And then for his little nostrils I mixed some light gray and some white on the corners of the nose area. For Ed's teeth I am using Diamond Effects white, and of course all the products and colors that I am using and that I use in my other videos are always listed in my description box below. And of course whatever brand names you guys have would do just as well as what I'm using, but this is what I have on hand. And if you guys have any other suggestions of products that I should try, you guys just go ahead and put them in the comments below, and I would be so happy to, give those products a try too as well. So back to Ed's mouth. For his tongue I used pink from Paradise and red from Paradise, and then that black that I really love, and it is from Cameleon. For the back of Ed's mouth it's reddish black, so I mixed the red and the black together to get that color, and then I took the black and started doing some outlining on his face. For around Ed's eyes I used that black as well, and I used my eyebrows as a guideline. I try every time I do makeup not to use a glue stick because I'm trying to grow back my eyebrows and it's been really hard to do that. Now for his actual eyes I'm using yellow from Paradise. After I got Ed's eyes placed where I wanted them to be, I outlined them in black, and one of his eyes could have been a lot lower than the other, but it's okay because it turned out looking pretty good. And then I went ahead and started doing some more outlining with that black since I had it out already. I also did some detail work for his nose area and then filled in under my eyes with some of that mixture that I created, that greenish gray. And then for his chest area I used gray, a light gray down the middle of my neck and part of my chest, and then on the sides of that I went ahead and used that same mixture that I used for his face. Now it's time for his ears, and I'm using some spirit gum to stick these foam ears on. And then I decided, I don't know why, but I was going to do a little bit of shading. So while I'm doing that and some more detail work and darkening out the negative spots, I'm going to take the time to thank you guys as always for supporting me on my channel and for always being there. Thank you guys for sitting back and watching me do this makeup and all my Disney makeups. I really appreciate it, and you guys are just amazing.
Thank you so much guys for watching me do another Lion King makeup. I'm so happy because I have a ton of Lion King makeups in my series of makeups. I'll put those links in my description box below. But if you guys like this makeup of Ed, please give me a like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you want to see any more of my makeups, hit that notification button, and I will see you on my next makeup.